Hey YouTube, got another XS1100 Cafe Racer for you to look at. Do a quick walk around. It's another Cot motorcycle seat made by Dustin Cot. So in this video, I'll show you some of the cable routing. And I got some messages asking how I routed my cables with the Clubmans. So I'll show you. These are the clearance type Clubmans, which, without modifying the steering stop, give you clearance right there and right there, just enough. No pinch and thumbs. So I'll start here with the clutch, and that's routed over the headlight, behind the right fork, between the triple trees, and underneath the tank, going down there to the clutch. And here is the brake line, which has some curvature to it. Ideally, you would want to get a shorter brake line, but if you don't mind this excess, then you can make do with the stock line. So you can see that it's just going behind the right fork between the triple trees and over there to the splitter. So after that, last but not least, throttle cable, which goes all the way underneath the right headlight ear. And then, let's see, after that, where does it go? Then it goes right in there. You can see that's it right there behind this thing. And behind the tank, and then it works its way right over there to where it sits. So there's your cable routing on the XS1100 Cafe Racer with Clubmans. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, do your thing. See you later.